Hi guys, Saiz here, back with another interesting and most important video. And in this video I'm going to talk about how to install any latest Android version custom ROM on your Redmi Note 5 Pro device. With the help of this guide, you can able to install any custom ROM on your Redmi Note 5 Pro. I am going to cover every step in this video. I'm going to cover how to download ROM, what is the flashing guide. Okay, so everything I will explain in detailed depth in this video. So watch this video till the end, and if you are new on this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Also join our Telegram channel where I provide important files and updates. So without any wasting of time, let's begin. Okay guys, before move on the process, first of all, I want to tell you one thing. If still you not unlock your device bootloader, then you need to unlock your device bootloader. I already made one video on this topic. I will give link on description how to unlock Xiaomi Redmi Poco device bootloader with PC, without PC. I will cover both methods on that video, so definitely check out that video. First of all, follow that video. After that came on this video. Okay, so let's move on the process of guide and installation and how to download files for installing custom ROM on Redmi Note 5 Pro. So first of all, you need to join this Telegram group and channel. I will provide both the links on description, Telegram channel and group. So in this channel, you will get latest custom ROMs for your Redmi Note 5 Pro. Okay, where you can download latest custom ROMs and other required files. For example purpose, I am going to download this Matrix OS. Simply click on download, and now the big question is which file I need to download. Right here it is, two versions like this. Here it is, two different versions is available, like 11.7.0. both versions are same, but the name is different. One is vanilla version and other one is GApps version. Now question is which one we need to choose. So always choose GApps version. In GApps version you will get all the Google Play apps, I mean Google Play services. Vanilla means there is no Google Play services, means no Play Store, no Google Chrome, nothing. Google apps are included in vanilla build. So always go with GApps version. Okay, and download from any browser. Okay, after complete download, now talking about another files which we need to download. So for that you need to join discuss group. So I will provide discuss group link on description. Okay, or you can follow from this channel. Okay, as we can see, this is the discuss group. Now how to use discuss group? Now when you going to join discuss group, it will ask you human verifications, then do it human verification. For example, I'm going to join. Okay, do human verification. After that, what is next step? Here it is, you need to type /notes, hit enter. After that, here a lot of notes is came. Now we need to perform some important notes files. I mean the files which we need to install our custom ROM. Which file we need to install? Like custom recovery, this is mandatory. Firmware, this is mandatory. So which file we need? Those files we need to download from notes. Okay, so for example, I am going to download dynamic recovery. Okay, this recovery is necessary. So type hash and type this dynamic /recovery. Why I am going to download this dynamic recovery? Because in flashing guide the dynamic recovery is mentioned. So before you going to download any files or before you going to flash any ROM, first of all read the flashing guide from ROM channel, from device channel. And to perform note, just simply type hash and type that note and hit enter. After that you will get all the files. For example purpose, I'm going to download this Orange Fox recovery. I type hash or dynamic /recovery, then hit enter. Then we need to download this recovery. So dynamic recovery is required, so I download that dynamic recovery. Now talking about what is next file which we need, which is firmware or any DFE file. Which files is mentioned on flashing guide? Those files we need to download from discuss group. Okay, and ROM is available on channel. Okay, talking about next step, boot your Redmi Note 5 Pro on fast boot mode. Okay, for that turn off your device, then press volume down and power button. Okay, when this Mi logo is came, then Mi Bunny logo is fast boot logo is came, then leave the buttons. Then connect your phone with PC with data cable. Then download all the files on PC which I previously tell. Okay, which files? ROM and recovery. Okay, then also download this platform tools file. Okay, this file is in zip format. Extract this file. After that you will get this folder. Okay, now what is next? Extract Orange Fox recovery. Okay, here it is, Orange Fox. Then this is the recovery img from Orange Fox recovery. Copy this recovery or cut this file. Okay, copy this recovery and paste in platform tools extracted folder. Okay, paste here. Now when you paste here, then click on this platform tools directory, then type cmd, then hit enter, then this command window is came. Then check your device is connected or not in fast boot mode. For that, fast boot space devices, then click enter, and as we can see, my device is connected because my device is connected in fast boot mode with data cable. Now talking about next command, type this command fast boot space flash space recovery. Okay, then give one space, then drag and drop this recovery, Orange Fox recovery. Okay, after drag and drop, hit enter. Okay, when you click hit on enter, then the recovery is installed. As we can see, finished total time, this is games means that recovery is installed on your device. Now boot your device on custom recovery. How can you boot? Just hold volume up and power button. When screen is off, then leave the power button but hold the volume up button until the Orange Fox logo is came. When this logo is came, you can leave the volume up key. Okay, after that this interface is came. Now we need to do some important things. For that, came on this format data, then click on yes, then hit enter. Okay, then format data is performed. When this format data is performed successfully, now click on center, then go back, then click on reboot, then click on recovery. Don't click on system, just click on recovery. Okay, now the device is again boot on recovery. Now came on this wipe section, then tick these boxes and swipe it. Then again do format data. For that, type yes, then click hit enter. Then again reboot your device on recovery mode. Okay, now Orange Fox recovery is open. Now what is next step? Go on mount section and mount the SD card or pen drive where you put files. Okay, I put files on my SD card. Now go on wipe section, then tick these boxes and wipe it. After that, go on install section, select the files one by one and swipe it. So first file I select, that is Project Infinity X-ROM. I select it and just swipe it. Okay, it will take a little bit of time. After done is will say successful, install successful. Now go again back. Now go on format data, then type yes. Okay, then click on right button, that means enter button, and after that click on reboot, swipe it, and our custom ROM is installed successfully, which is Project Infinity X latest Android 16 ROM, where I will show you. As we can see, I set up my device rapidly, and as we can see, this is Android 16 on my Redmi Note 5 Pro. So like this, you can install any custom ROM on your Redmi Note 5 Pro. So this is the video. If you like this video, then please like and share this video. See you in the next video. Love you guys. Goodbye. Take care.